Most YouTubers wait until they hit 1,000 subscribers before they begin to think about monetization. And this is why many struggle here on YouTube, right? In this video, I'll be showing you how you prepare your video and your YouTube channel in a way that before you get your 1,000 subscribers, your channel is already breathing and already expecting monetization. This is the fourth video in this particular YouTube beginner series. So far, we have talked about whether your YouTube is worth starting, how to choose a niche, how to set up your YouTube channel, and today we are talking about how to get your channel ready for monetization even before you hit the 1,000 subscribers, right? Welcome to my channel. This is Ali Virtue, and yes, this is Grow with This channel where I get to teach you and how to grow on YouTube, sharing my own experiences and how I'm navigating around YouTube. Now, what is monetization? Really, what is monetization? Monetization is not just AdSense. It's actually preparing your channel to make money. That is what monetization is about. And do you know the funny part? You can actually get begin to make money on YouTube even without monetization. This is what I'm talking about. You need to prepare your channel in a way where you can begin to get payment, right? Get to receive payment from people here on YouTube even without getting the monetization or even getting targeting 1,000 subscribers. Monetization isn't just about AdSense, like I already mentioned. It's about building trust, creating value, and positioning yourself properly for when the income begins to come, when you begin to get brand deals and the rest of them. That is what monetization is about. And there's a reason why you should prepare early, right? If you wait until 1,000 subscribers before you begin to prepare your channel for monetization, you will get to, when you finally get the 1,000 subscribers and you realize that you don't even have up to 500 watch hours, then you will know that you're not doing on YouTube. Do you get the point? So before you get to the 1,000 subscribers, you need to bring your channel to the point where it is rightly positioned to begin to receive money. There are different ways to make money on YouTube. I already said that. I, for one, I have actually received money from YouTube. From my other channel, I have been able to get people to sign up for my classes, right? Back then when I was still doing WhatsApp group classes, I've had someone sign up from YouTube for my classes. So you too can actually position yourself to get money even without getting this monetization. Now there are some steps that you need to take, and it's very important that you understand how to do these things, right? This is the reason why we are putting out this series together. There are some steps you need to take so that when you finally get to the threshold of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you won't be aloof. You won't be wondering what to do next or how to go about your monetization process. You are already prepared. In fact, you're already earning. Do you get the point? Now, the very first one is create content with intent. Don't just come on YouTube to create content because you can, or because it's easy, or because you have the right gadget, or because you have the right phone. No, create content with intent. Every video should serve a problem. Every video that you put out there, it should solve a problem. Ask yourself, if I'm the person who comes across this video and I watch it, will I find value in this video? If I come across this video, I'm just scrolling through and I'm really looking for something to help me. If I see this video, will I be interested to watch it? Go ahead and ask yourself, right? Every video should solve a problem. Don't just put out random content here. Examples that you can put out are tutorials, you can put out how-to videos, you can teach how to use Canva, how to use CapCut, how to use Gemini, and the rest of them. You can put out entertaining content, right? Educational content as well, problem-solving content. All this, when I even say entertainment, don't think that they also have any problem. It's not true that somebody comes on YouTube and sees a video and is able to laugh. You never can tell the amount of depression the person came into the channel with, and they saw your video and you help them to uplift their spirit. That is you solving a problem, but you need to be intentional about it. This is the point I'm trying to make. You need to build watch hours, right? That's the second thing. You need to build watch hours. It's not just about getting viral videos. Okay, I have said it before that going viral does not equate watch hours. That's because you can go viral with a video, and if people don't get to actually watch that video for a very long time, it might not really give you the watch hour that you desire or you are looking forward to. So going viral is not even the topic here. What is more important now is getting good watch hours, right? You need to understand that watch time matters more than views. YouTube promotes videos people spend longer time to watch, right? When people spend longer time to watch a video, YouTube get to promote it. Okay, let me explain it from this angle. You put out a short form content, for instance, just 1 minute, and they spend just 30 seconds watching that video. You can get 20K views on it, but it doesn't even equate. And by the way, just so you are even aware, short form content, the watch time from short form content does not what's it called? Does not add up to the public watch time hours required for you to get monetized. Yeah, I got to understand that very late. I made the mistake of putting out shots a lot, only to realize that the watch hours was not adding up at all. So the watch hours you get from the short form content does not add up at all to the 4,000 watch hours required to get monetized. Now, the only way you can use short to monetize is if you get 1,000 subscribers and then 10 million views in the last 90 days. That is the only way the short form content can get you monetized. Aside that, you just end up putting that content there and nothing for you, nothing come out, right? Nothing, you just end up spending data and spending your time putting out content without getting reward for the content you put out. Now, on that thing, you also need to also understand is the longer people get to watch your videos, right? Let's say I always recommend that for a long form content, it should be at least 8 minutes and above, right? 8 minutes and above. So the longer people stay on the video, the more you will get to push it out to other people. So let's say you have you have a video that's 8 minutes, and people spend say 4 minutes watching maybe to the middle of the video, or they play it on times two, or they get distracted and go away. YouTube will count that as valid watch time hours for you. So if you have 10 persons watch your video for exactly 4 minutes, do the math and see how many watch hours you can get from that. If you have, let's say, 100 persons watching the entire video, do the math and see how many watch hours you can get from that, right? So going viral is not the going viral is not what gives you the watch hour, but building what hour simply means having valuable content that people can really watch and get value from. I have seen videos that are actually 2 hours long, and yes, people stay on that video from the beginning to the very end, watching that video. Not movies now, yes, not movies, but content like this, people stay and watch from the beginning to the end. So your videos need to really be done with good intent, good planning, or they should have good flow so that when people come on it, they are not getting distracted. They can actually watch the content from the beginning at least to the end before they get to swipe off. Now, the next thing you need to also understand is position your niche for money. You need to position your niche for money. Ask questions like, can this niche fetch me money? Can it support services? Can it attract buyers? Can it attract brands? Can you get brand this from this? Okay, like the example I already gave my friend who is an educator, right? My friend is an educator, and yeah, she uses her channel to teach teachers how to make money online or how to be a good online teacher. That is what she does with her channel. And trust me, last year alone, the amount of people she got that signed up her class from YouTube alone is more than 500,000 naira that she got in just 3 months of using YouTube to promote her business. She's not yet monetized. Truth, she's not yet monetized, but she's able to make good money from YouTube. I think it's even more than 500,000. I think it's about seven to 800,000 just from putting out her content there on YouTube, teaching teachers how to, and people are interested in developing themselves, improving on their skills. So yes, a lot of teachers who want to transit from offline teaching to online teaching, they were able to pay for our course, our classes, and they were able to get value. So yes, you too can do the same thing. Position your niche and your channel in a way where it can give you deals even before the monetization. Now, the next thing is set up AdSense early. The moment you're able to hit the very first level of monetization, which is 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours, go ahead and set up your AdSense, right? Set up your AdSense. So by the time you finally get the 4,000 watch hours, you will be ready for monetization. You'll be able to begin, you'll be ready for earning already. Now, the reason why I'm saying to set up your AdSense account or at least have all the documents needed, I am having a problem where I have the documents needed already, but I don't have a domiciliary account. I have been looking for a while. I should have known this. I should have known that I should have my DOM account ready so that when it's time for me to set up my AdSense, I won't be running here and there looking for $100 or $200 to go and open my DOM account. This should have been ready. This should be set already. So yes, as you're beginning, if your mindset is that you want to get monetized, you need to have your DOM account already so that when the time is right, you do not have to waste time with setting up your AdSense account. Now, the last thing I'll say here is build trust before you begin to sell. Go ahead and put out valuable content first. It should not just be about sell, sell, sell. Come and buy my book. Come and buy my this. Come on. It shouldn't just be about buy, 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 buy. They should come buy from you. Go ahead and build trust. Share testimonials. Share your experience. Share things that will make people to trust you. Will make them have confidence in you, right? Before you begin to go ahead and put out things that talk about selling, 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 so that you don't get to pursue your subscribers or pursue your viewers. Don't get them scared. Don't get them scared of your channel. Now, moving forward, you need to also learn to explore monetization, other monetization options like affiliate marketing, digital products, services, skill and communication. There are different ways. Like I give example of my friend currently. You can also explore affiliate marketing. You can explore other ways to get money on YouTube. It's not just only AdSense. You can even get brand deals even before monetization. Now, there are some common mistakes that beginners make, right? I'm going to be explaining those mistakes right now so that you don't also make the same mistake. Chasing money too early. You are thinking of monetization does not mean that you should now begin to get so carried away with money, 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 money that you forget to put out valuable content, right? At this point of recording, my mic went off. I did not notice it. So permit me to use a voiceover. So if the video you're watching does not sync with the voicing, I'm sorry. I'm just doing a voiceover for this part. Mistake number two is copying big monetized creators. These creators already have authority, they have teams, they have loyal audience. If you copy them exactly, it won't work for you. Instead, learn their structures and adapt to it your own level and your own niche. Mistake number three, being inconsistent. Posting today, then disappearing for weeks, then you come back again, post another day. This slows down your growth, right? YouTube rewards consistency more than perfection. The more you show up, the better they push out your content. Mistake number four, ignoring titles and thumbnails and your description. This is one of the biggest mistakes beginners make. You can have the best video in the world, but if your title and thumbnail don't spark curiosity or clearly explain the benefits, nobody will click your video. Your thumbnail stops the scroll, your title ends the click, your description helps YouTube understand who to show the video to. So you see, they all work together. Content and packaging must work together. One without the other limits your growth. You need every one of them, right? You need to do every one of them. Now, on to mistake number five, trying to please everyone. When you create content for everybody, your message becomes weak and confusing. YouTube grows faster when your content speaks clearly to one specific audience. So go ahead and ask yourself this question. Who is this video for? As a beginner, who are you creating for? As a business owner, as a fashion creator, as anything you want to do on YouTube, who are you creating your content for? The clearer your audience, the stronger your content, and the more loyal your viewers will become. If you want to grow on YouTube, you need to avoid these things I have just said, right? They are not all, but avoiding them is going to help you grow faster and better. Avoid these mistakes, stay patient, and keep improving. YouTube rewards clarity, consistency, and value over time. So, like I said, the money will come, the money is going to come, but you also need to remain consistent. Just have a community that views your posts so that when you finally get monetized, you will not be struggling to get views on your posts. I hope you do understand that. Now, so moving forward, I'm going to wrap up with this. You need to maintain the mindset that that helps you to stay focused on your monetization goals. When you have a goal in mind, it's easier for you to be able to meet the needs of that goals, right? Or you know how to navigate in order to get to the desired result that you want. So it's not bad to be thinking monetization, but what is bad is thinking about it so much that you ignore every other thing that is supposed to help you get monetized. I hope you get this. I hope you understand this very well. All right. So thank you so much for listening. Thank you for staying with me even to this point where the audio and the video is not in sync. Thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. And if you have any confusion about anything, go ahead and ask me in the comment section. If you're a beginner and you really want to get started on YouTube, then this playlist showing down here, go ahead and click on it so you see where to start from and how to start. Lastly, if you are already on YouTube and you're creating amazing content, but you still need some guide, right? This playlist contains all the videos I have done so far that deals with teaching how to grow on YouTube. Go ahead and click on that playlist to get started as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'm hoping to see you in my next video. For now, bye.